Okay, hello there everybody, this is Sarah, your socially awkward seller, and I'm back with a daily vlog video, and Holly is tearing down the house right now.
Just the photo box.
But we're good. So, I'm going to show you my sales. Typically I don't show you the sales that I had like today, because I'll show you those tomorrow, but because I want to go ahead and get some of these things shipped out, you know,
With Lou.
With Lou.
We like Lou. We like Lou.
But in the thought of, you know, the holiday season coming up, I thought I would go ahead and show you everything that has sold today and, you know, yesterday afternoon. So let's just jump right into this. And I sold a lot of these posters. These are ones that I did not think that would sell for very much. They're the inspirational posters with the nature scene. So I allotted these 5 together and sold them for $12.99 plus shipping. I'm gonna set that there. Let's see what else. I sent out an offer on a lot of stickers that I bought. I bought like, I want to say 2 lots, great big lots of stickers for $2.50 or $3 each. And this is about the 4th lot of stickers that I've sold out of it. This is 10 packs of stickers. I sold those for $11 plus shipping. Let's go over to my main store. This is my main squeeze. Okay. I sold this beater blade for $18.39 plus shipping. I think I paid pretty, like $5 or something for this, so I'm glad that is gone. I just listed this. This is a Capresso 451 carafe. I sold this for $18.39. Everything's selling for $18 today. Actually, I have a sale running, and that's just the price that's popping up. I sold this Ralph Lauren tote bag for $26.99. I took a best offer on that. I sold this Mr. Coffee Mrs. T replacement pot. I sold that for $18. I sold this gurgling fish clock because it makes the worst noises ever, and splashing noises and all of that. I took a best offer today because I've had this for a while for $12.99 plus shipping. This is a Free People striped jacket that I've had probably for a good 6-8 months. I took a best offer on that today of $21. And I sold this Ralph Lauren activewear long sleeve waffle net or thermal net quarter zip pullover for $11.99. It has been returned once already, so for fit, but that's going out the door. Yeah, fingers crossed. And then finally, I sold this on Amazon. This is a Guitar Heroes Legends of Rock guitar and game and strap and all that. This sold on Amazon for $94, and I'm going to go ahead and ship that out today. So those are my sales, and I'm going to get this going. Hey there, kids. I'm back. I went shopping. Yay! Let me show you what I bought. We'll just jump right in. So I bought this new, it's called a Safety Sure bed pull-up. It's to help people that are kind of infirm get out of bed. And it says rising and lowering in bed. I paid $1.50 for it. It looks like this would go about $20, and that is new, or else I wouldn't have bought it. I picked up 2 bags of these, and they are VTech animals. I can't tell you more than that because I don't remember the name, but I think I can get about $20 for each bag, maybe a little more. I might be able to squeeze out a little more. I paid $3 for each bag of those. I picked up these 2 wooden pins today. Paid 40 cents a piece for them. They're nothing like crazy. But they do say John Kasich, governor of Ohio. So I thought maybe somebody might want these. I'm going to list them for about 14, 15 bucks a piece. I bought today this brownie Girl Scout guide, and it's also like a journal kind of thing, and it's a handbook, and it's got badges, and I think you can put other things in it as well. I paid $1 for that. I'm gonna try and list that for around 18. Ooh, an M&M. It's not a random M&M. I was filling little baggies of M&Ms earlier. I just missed that one. Don't judge me. Who can say no to chocolate? This is an espresso coffee set, and it's called View. I think is the name of this set. Really pretty. It's kind of got a shiny, or like a glossy and a satin thing going on. It's new in box. I paid $2 for this. I think I can get around 20 for that. I bought 2 records. I bought 101 Strings, Irving Berlin. It's got your classics, you know, like Blue Sky, and I've got My Love to Keep Me Warm. And let's see, anything else? Remember. Okay, enough of that. And I got South Pacific. Why did I buy these 2 records? Not because I'm such a big fan of show tunes, but I don't hate show tunes for sure. But I bought this Crossley record player. The note on the top, which is why I love this store, says, everything works except turntable drive belt is broken. But I think I can get one for about $8, and I paid $5 for this. And I will order the belt and fix it and do one of 2 things. Keep it, or I'll try and sell it locally for around 50 bucks. I bought, there's another one of these somewhere. But these are packs of Coke pencils from 1997. I'll list those in my ephemera store. Here's the other one. I paid 50 cents each for these. I'll try to get about 10 bucks for each pack. This is some Cuisinart blades. The blades don't always like sell all that fast, but the stem should do pretty well. Paid $2 for this. These are Hollies. She forgot to take those. Also Hollies. I bought this little chopper, little food processor. I paid 50 cents for this because red tags today were 50 cents. And I don't even know what the brand is, but I'll figure that out later. This is some more. I honestly don't know exactly what these go to. They look very similar to Cuisinart, but they're not marked, so there's something else. The Afterworld. A World of Ever Living. No, that's Prince. No, that's different. These are a similar brand, unmarked. I'll figure them out. But there are several. There's a chopping blade in here, and those tend to do $10 to $20, depending on which model this is. And a couple of other blades, 3 slicing or 3 shredding slicing blades, a dough blade, a stem, 2 stems. There's gold in this bag, I'm telling you. I just have to figure out the brand. And it may be written on here, but I'm kind of blindish. It's not really well lit in this room, so I will figure that out later. But I paid $2. I'm guessing there's probably somewhere in the neighborhood of $40 to $50 worth of parts in this bag. Maybe more. Today was a day of parts. I bought mostly parts. It's like they decided to just go through parts and list parts today or sell parts today. So I got this. I don't do all that well with these Ninjas, but I'm changing up my game. I paid $1 for this. And I am going to look at listing just these blades and see what I can do with those. I think what happens is the shipping on this, because it's going to be at least 3 pounds. And the shipping and the dimensions, the weight and the dimensions get the shipping up on these. So they're harder to sell for any kind of money. So I'm going to try and sell just the blades on this one and see how I do. And maybe the lid. Who knows? I might just part that out completely. I picked up, it was a day for Coca-Cola stuff. I don't know that these are worth anything, but I paid 50 cents each for them. And they're these little tins that have Coca-Cola ink pens in them. And I just know that there is, excuse me, that one hick M&M is giving me like indigestion. Great. These are really cute. Look at this. Isn't that adorable? These are from 1996. So, but I'm just thinking some Coca-Cola collector might like to have these. So again, 50 cents a piece for those. I don't know what those are selling for, but whatever the market is, maybe it's $10, maybe it's 15. Maybe it's 8. I don't know, but for 50 cents, I was willing to give that a shot. Here are a couple more of these shred discs. These again are not marked. I paid $1 each for these. Probably too much, but maybe not. The fact that this one has a stem with it, these stems are like gold in your hand. Okay, it's about $10 or $12, but that's a part that breaks on these a lot. So anyway, that will fetch me some money. And I like having money fetched. Oh, look, another food processor with a chopping blade and a stem inside. Now, some of this stuff may go with some of that stuff. I don't know. I'll have to play with it and figure it out. I paid $1 for this. Again, there's probably at minimum $30 to $40 right here. Because I love the parts. I love my parts. Parts are my favorite and I love the parts. I just made up a song. These are Sirocco or Homeco or something like that. I just can't see. Homeco. I thought these were cute little seagulls. And I think I paid, this one wasn't priced. So either I paid 50 cents for them or she charged me 50 cents for each of these. And I don't care. Those will sell for whatever they sell for. And then finally, I thought this was interesting and I've never seen this before. Not finally, I have a whole nother box. Kill me. This is called a Sunbeam Tool Caddy recipe book stand. So these are all your Sunbeam tools. There are 4 blades here. And this is the recipe book stand. And I paid $2 for all of that. I have no idea at all what that might be worth. But you know, I just can't say no to some parts. What I've got right here is the wrong, there we go, the wrong lid for that food processor. Sorry, this is noisy. I do not know which food processor this is. Might be a KitchenAid, but it might be a Hamilton Beach. I don't know, but I will do the research and I will figure it out. It won't take me long. But I paid $1 for this and I got the work bowl, the lid, and the pusher. And then yet another food processor bowl. I know this is boring. $1 for one blade with the stem, lid, pusher. Again, this will take me a little bit of research, but I will figure it out. And if I don't buy this stuff, I don't know who does buy it at the thrift store, because you have to be somebody that would want to resell it for it to even make sense. This is, I believe, yes, it is an Oster. Probably about $20. This one does not have the blade, so maybe a little bit less, but I paid $1 for that. This is also an Oster. I think this one's not marked, but it could be a Sunbeam or an Oster. $1 for that. Again, probably another $20-25. That one does have the blades. This one is an Oster as well, which means all three of these are Osters. This one has blades but no ring on the bottom, no ring on my finger or bells on my toes. This is $1, so somewhere around in that $15 to $18 to $20 mark. And I think, don't quote me, but I think we just have, woo, earthquake! Woo-hoo-hoo! One thing I think is all I've got. And I bought this, I've never sold this brand before, but I have seen this brand before. It's called Big Buddha. If you can see that. But this is a leather tote, black and white, classic colors, and it's got a mustard yellow interior. Really cute. It's got this leather pocket that zips closed, and it's got 2 hooks. Now I don't know if it had a strap or if these are like for keys. Don't know, but I paid $3 for that, and I'm hoping to get about 20 to 25 for it. Oh, one more thing. Didn't see it. I bought this little lot of flatware for $1. There's not much in here, but I've not seen this pattern before, so it'll be interesting. Look at that. Interesting just to do some research on that. So that's what you got. I am gonna make a killing, I guess, but it's gonna take a while. That's all I've got for you. That sound right there is my pizza being done, so I gotta go. Just remember that the dream works when you do, so keep dreaming, keep working, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye!